Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I saw this video where it was like, I don't know, it was where, so if you put shampoo, any type of shampoo you like, and something, you put a light thing of water on top and you put it in the refrigerator, it should stay there for a while. So I put it on a candle lid that's like this big. So I'm not wasting all my shampoo, so I'm trying this out for you guys. So, yeah. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit when it's ready. Okay, it's been about like 4 or 5 minutes. But the guy in the video didn't say how long to put this slime, or I don't know, in it, and when it was ended. So cool. But yeah, I just saw this really fake video about making slime where it was just water and it said leave it out in 30 seconds. So they're such a liar. And then when they did it, I heard fake things and they were pretending they were pulling it. So yeah, don't do that. Watch that video. So yeah. So this isn't the shampoo slime, but it kind of should look like this, but like nice and clear. Probably this size too. I'll have to add marker to it. I don't think you were supposed to add marker to it, so I'm gonna go check on it. So yeah. So the water's just sitting on top of it, and it didn't say how long to put in the fridge, remember? And the water didn't look like it was sitting on top of it, but it's definitely sitting on top of it. So I got this spoon and we're gonna see how well it works. So let's see. What? Wait. Wait. What? Wait. This. Wait, it's kind of like slime. Yeah. Actually, no. It's supposed to fail for me. Like, I thought it really did. I think I gotta let it sit in more. So, I'm just gonna leave it like this. And then just add more water simply on top. I don't know if you're supposed to do that. So yeah, I'll see you again when I think it's ready. Enough? Okay. So I put new shampoo, a different type of shampoo in it. And remember, all of this is not being wasted because that didn't work. I just put it in this cup. Sorry, my bunny. So, I just put it in this little cup, so I will use it for my skin. So I'm gonna leave this in for like maybe even an hour because it doesn't say how long. Cause I don't want to mess this up again. So yeah, I just got back from McDonald's, which was like 30 minutes. I'm still probably I think I'm gonna open it after I finish my lunch. So, yeah. Okay guys, I pretty much finished my lunch. So yeah, we're going to check our shampoo slime. It's probably not even slime. So yeah, let's go check it out. Mine's not ready. The water's supposed to look like it's just like flat sitting on top, but it was not sitting. It was sitting on the top still, so no, this isn't the lotion. This isn't the shampoo slime. Because I would show you, but this is kind of an example how long it took. This slime is so sticky. It's still pretty sticky. And it was like a lot stickier than this. And I just had to keep on like doing this. So there's an example how long it's been taking. So this is a homemade slime I made today. So yeah, I'm going to check on this shampoo slime. There's the color. So I'm going to put this in the container, which as you can see is right here. Trying to get all of that off my fingers. See, you can see how sticky slime is. It wants to be. Just look in the inside. It's super sticky. Okay. I think that's as much as it's gonna go in. Okay, so I got it over here. Got my stick, so let's see. Guys, do you think this counts? Oh wait, no, I'm not gonna mess with this anymore. Over here, there's like this really chunky side. Yeah, do you see it moving? So now we're gonna mix it. Oh wait, look at it. It's starting to form. Got some on my hand, so. Oh wait, yeah. There's this little tiny piece, and I mixed with my hands. Maybe I should take a little bigger piece and start. Oh yeah. Oh, this gives like, I don't know, but for me, I think it's a good and a fail. So it's a fail because it looks nothing like what he said it was. I'm still gonna leave it in the refrigerator, but I'm gonna end the video, and it just super liquidy. And I actually heard in the video he said a few minutes because I just watched it, but still like that, it's been way over a few minutes. So bye.